In Vericut 9.0, the section window has been redesigned so that cut stock can be more easily investigated. You can quickly remove viewing obstructions to gain clear viewing of the cutting process. To do this, use the new section window and add a section event. This automatically sections the objects you specify. Sectioning is non-destructive, meaning sectioned objects are removed from viewing but still exist in the simulation. Turning section planes off reveals the portions of the objects that were removed by sectioning, including any machining or errors that may have been introduced while sectioned. You may now continue processing your NC programs. Note that at any time during the simulation, you can quickly add or remove sectioning. And that's it. For more information on the features in the redesigned section window, see the Vericut help.